Okay, let's try this. Here we have the green balloon with air in it. So we're going to open this first valve. Then we'll open the valve to the chamber. And as expected, nothing happens. The line stays steady. Okay, let's close it. And now here we have the red balloon. That's the one with the CO2 in it, or carbon dioxide. So we'll open the valve to balloon, open the valve to the chamber, and again, as we expected, the line goes down because the carbon dioxide is absorbing some of the thermal radiation from the candle. What this experiment shows is that carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas and contributes to keeping the surface of the Earth warm by absorbing thermal radiation. Therefore, if we introduce larger quantities of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, we expect the atmosphere to warm and cause global climate change.
'79, half of the Arctic sea ice has disappeared. And just this year, 4.5 million square miles melted away, an area the size of the US and Mexico combined.
Okay, here it comes.
Meanwhile, back when Jim was mounting his first ice cameras, an artist in Brooklyn named Eve Mosier was pushing the kind of machine you use to chalk lines on a ball field. After reading a scary 2001 prediction from NASA that climate change-powered storms would wipe out entire neighborhoods, she decided to see which neighborhoods by marking the high water line around New York City.
This would be underwater, this would be dry. So there'd be a little dry strip down the center of the road, and all of this would be underwater.
The chalk was gone by the time Sandy hit, but the lines were right. And in many places, the damage exceeded her worst fears. And suddenly, that wishy-washy conversation changed.
Not so much of an I told you so as I'm really sorry this had to happen. You know, the fact that it takes something so drastic, despite the fact that his people in his administration know about it. You know, that it really takes us having a visceral experience to shift even the conversation,
right,
much less actions.
America is the last developed nation still arguing over all of this. On one side, those with the faith that humans could never alter the planet so profoundly. Happy to agree are oil and coal companies and a political party strongly opposed to any new environmental regulations.
President Obama promised to begin to slow the rise of the oceans and to heal the planet. My promise is to help you and your family.
On the other side are 99% of climate scientists with PhDs and the president.
I am a firm believer that climate change is real, that it is impacted by human behavior and carbon emissions.
And happy to agree are most of the insurance companies that insure insurance companies, like Munich Re. The German giant reported last month that North America is getting the worst of it, as weather disasters cost 30,000 lives and over $1 trillion in the last 30 years, as storms quintupled. And they're warning clients to brace for much more as the melting accelerates.